Hello everyone, this is Lori Salesforce again, and tonight I'm going to demonstrate to you how I added another function to the flow that I previously demonstrated. If you will remember in the last video that I made for this playlist, I created a flow that when I changed the risk status of a record to at risk, it automatically populates this date field here to today's date once you go to save that. So now what I want to do is to add um, another change in the flow, and that is to change the contact owner. If you will notice here in this record, you can change the contact owner manually. So the requirement was once this member, the contact, uh, is changed to at risk for the risk status, it will also change the ownership to Bradley Rice, and that was specific Bradley Rice. So, and with that requirement, it also wanted to prevent the original owner to see the record. Now we have set the security here on the org-wide default as private. So if you're not the owner of a record, you're not supposed to see it. So by changing the owner, automatically the original owner should not have an access to this record. Anyway, we're getting ahead of the requirements, but for now, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how I added that function here to change the contact owner to what I already had in my original flow. So if you will remember, the original flow that I did was before save. So now for updating the records, we have added this second field, the owner. Let me just delete that for now so I can demonstrate how I added that. So you'll just look for the owner ID field, which is that part there. And then if you click here, I actually already have Bradley there because I made it before, but just so you know how I did it, you have to click on the new resource, enter a variable, name it whatever, let's say B rice, and what you're gonna do is pick a text, and you're gonna enter here the user ID. Now, how to get that? If you will go to the users and click on the user Bradley Rice, you'll find here, this is the ID. However, this has 17 characters. You only need the 15, which is this part really. So let's click that and copy that. And where did that go? So paste that there and remove the first two. So there should be 15 characters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's how you should do it. But I'm not gonna click done there because Bradley's name is here already. And I'm not gonna click done. But so that was how it was earlier. I'll just cancel this out. Okay. And of course, you have to make sure that you activate save save and activate, and then you test whether it's actually working. So if you are going back to this record and change that to at risk without touching this, without touching this part here, just go ahead and save, you will see that it changed the contact owner to Bradley Rice and it automatically entered the date. So mission accomplished. I hope you enjoyed that. The learning continues.